Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. Today in this video we are making neem soap at home. No more buying neem soaps from shop when you know how to make this at home very easily. Neem soaps are known for their antibacterial properties. It is helpful in removing pimples, acne and its marks. It also treats skin infection. Without wasting time, let's see how to prepare this. The ingredient we need is pure glycerin soap as a base. In India, the most popular glycerin soap is Pears. It contains 98% pure glycerin. It costs 38 rupees for a single bar. Next, we need some neem leaves and a vitamin E capsule. Wash the neem leaves. Grind it to make a paste. Take this soap, grate it using a grater. Using double boiling method, melt the soap. When the soap has turned into liquid form, switch off the stove. Add the neem paste to it. Cut open the vitamin E capsule and squeeze the oil. Mix it well. Take a plastic cup, grease it with vaseline. Pour the mixture into the cup. Freeze it in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 hours, your handmade neem soap is ready to use. You can use this soap for your body and face. Neem helps to fight against pimples, acne and also prevents them from coming back. Neem has antibacterial property which helps to heal skin infections. Neem paste heals scars left by acne, pimples, burns and wounds. Vitamin E moisturizes the skin and you will not feel dryness after bathing. Overall, this neem soap helps for a clear and radiant skin. If you find this video interesting, then do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.